It is April the 30th, 2018 at about 2:45 in the afternoon Central Time, and we're looking at prime coin chart and a beautiful example of what we should be watching for just before a market explodes, just as this one has. If I move this back and we're looking at the 4-hour bars, we can see for several weeks, 3 weeks before the big move, there was all sorts of pre-pump buying going on. Huge buys, and then the market goes quiet. Huge buys, and then when that finally does catch up, there's no supply left. The news gets out, and everybody is going crazy on it. So if we go back to this and look at the one-day charts, the volume pattern isn't quite the same before the big move, but you can definitely see the pre-pump patterns in this time frame as well. So recognizing that pre-pump pattern, the flat level, probably held down with a big set of sell orders just above the market as a wall. And then as there are any other sell orders that compete down below it, those are easy pickings on those days where you want to just remove your sell orders, scoop up everybody who's just above the market, and sit back and wait, because you know that there's a big announcement coming. For whatever the reason or however it goes, that often shows up in the charts before this big explosive move. So now the trick is to go back into all the other charts and review them for this potential formation, so that you can start to see those volume patterns as these big moves start to accumulate and take off. And so what I've done is reviewed all of the different charts on Poloniex, and I identified 4 different markets that were good enough repeats of this pattern before the big explosion that I purchased into those coins myself. You can get a copy of that video analysis by going over to digitalcurrencytraders.com and sign up to make money work for you. Just register for updates and you will receive the email that goes along, and it'll have the link to the private video where you can see all of the different markets that I went through and narrowed it down to 4 of them that I actually took money and purchased into. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at digitalcurrencytraders.com.